Good morning everyone. Today we're going to talk about font sizes. Now, for me, if you go, let's start with one website that is very good for font sizes. And this is the, wait, where it went? This is the website that I'm seeing right now. And if you see, there's font sizes with EM, small, XM, small, pixels, percentage, a lot of different ways of writing percentage, font sizes. For me, you just need to know the pixel and the percentage. Now, if you want to see how it works, I'm going to show you how to do it, because it's still good to know how to actually make it. Now let's start by building the notepad, index .html, delete, and that one transforms into a website empty. I open it, and like that we have a place to start. I'm going to put some text to actually make some text we can actually work on. Now, how I already told you, for me, you just need to make one or make two fields, like the one with percentage and the one with pixels. Now, the reason why I am saying this is because it's this, if you want to make one website, you don't need to make all of them. You just need to learn one of them and use all of them one method, and you use all out the website. Now, if you are more comfortable using different things, like how I said, there is a lot of different ways, but it's a waste of time learning all these fonts. So for me, I like to use this and this. Now, the reason why I like to use mostly the pixel is because pixels, you use it for everything, like for image, for other things too. Now, let's start showing how it makes the difference. This text, I'm going to make him a div, and a closing div. So it has a specific thing. Now I'm going to make him a class to have something to call it, and we make test as starting. Now I'm going to make a style, sorry for that, style, and so don't waste time, I got to copy it and paste. No, I called it test, so for calling it I'm going to use dot test open and close, and that is all. Now, how we saw in the website is font size 12 pixels. Let's see what it's going to show. and what is going to happen. This is the size, and that is the size it came. If we see the default, this is the default, that is the size. Now, if for example I want to make another one different, I can make like this, copy, and you see when you start using it, this is faster to work with, because you are using the same style and you can compare it even faster. Because if I use this 12 pixels and let's pick up another one, small, smaller. Now, is it kind of small? Now, what is actually that size? You don't know. Now, the problem of that one is each browser can say this small, smaller, big, large, whatever, a different specific size. So it's, for me, I don't like to rely to our different browsers to make interpretations different. I like to say this is 12 pixels and all the browsers use the same size. So that is the reason I don't use small. I hope that you learned something useful and you learned something. Thank you for watching.